Hey there. This is video 3.8. It is a review of subsets. I think you should be able to turn off the camera and go, sorry. Here, can I show you? I'll show you. Where is she? There she is. Jellybean. Jellybean. All right, that's my doggo. She's keeping me company today. So I'm going to take Doggo for a walk. She decided right now, of course, as soon as I started, just like children, as soon as you get started, they need attention. I'm going to take Doggo for a walk. You, my friends, hopefully, are going to do the page. And then we'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. We did go outside. Right, anyway, subset reviews. So subsets have everything in common. Everything is also part of a bigger subset, a bigger set, which this year is called superset, because sometimes I just Google when I'm curious. But wait, you can have a subset of subset. Okay, so think for a minute what that's going to look like. All right. So this part, it's not like a rule. You're not going to find that in a textbook anywhere. This is just my plan. Okay, so if I want to see how stuff is connected, I will. Okay, that sounds silly. I'm going to connect it. So if I look, I start with my smallest set. So we can see the 2 and the 4 are there. So set C is clearly a subset of B. It's smaller, but everything in C is also in B. But then if I go one more, I mean, you guys already know what this is going to look like. We can see that every element of B is also in A. And I think the easiest way to draw this is to start with the middle. Start with set C, start with the smallest one. We're going to label this C. And in C, we have 2 and 4. Now B is bigger. Put it like that, and we'll label it B. Now we have to be careful. We can't put 2 and 4 because they're already there. They're already in set B. Right? Remember, B is everything in this circle, and there are other circles in the inside. That's stickity-boo. So we got 2 and 4. So we need 6, 8, and 0. So I'm looking at the ones that aren't connected. And then in set C, whoops, set A, sorry, my bad, are the ones that aren't connected or counted anywhere. So the 1 isn't anywhere else, but the 2 is already there. 3, the 4 is already there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. And I will double check. There's 10 numbers there. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got them all. So that's the key here, is each element only shows up once in your picture. Now, this one, you can't really connect, but let's figure it out. We got animals with 4 legs and fur, animals with 4 legs, cats. Well, which is the subset of the subset of the subset? How does that all work? Well, if you think about it, cats has got to be, is an animal with 4 legs and fur. So cats must be a subset of that one. And then animals with 4 legs, there's other animals that don't have fur, like a lizard. So cats. Animals with 4 legs and fur. So if cats are there, then like dogs could be out here, or horses or hamsters or something like that. And then the biggest circle would just be animals with 4 legs. So maybe up there could be where a lizard is, and the crocodile is over there. And I'm having a terrific brain fart because I can't think of other animals without like salamanders and newts. Turtles, they would all be in the outside circle. But it's like, okay, so this is the biggest group, and then we have qualifications: 4 legs and fur, and then cats. Oh. So this was set D, and this was set F, was down here. And E, I was just, excuse me, trying to mess you up. I'm gonna take my pen and highlight my sets. Okay. So you've seen 2. Hope you've done the last one here. If not, pause the video. We've got cows, animals that give milk, animals that humans get milk from. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Cows is our smallest group. So I'll make that G. This is going to be J. Animals, oh, this is so long to write. That get milk from. So if cows are there, then in this circle, what other animals do humans get milk from? Besides cows and sheep? No, maybe. Goats for sure. Maybe camels. I don't know. But there's some. I know goats for sure. The goats would be there. And our biggest one, animals that have milk. And there you're pretty much looking at any mammal. Cats, dogs, koalas, whales. All those. We just don't get milk from them. All right, cool, cool. All right, so this one at the bottom, move my camera. Okay. So my theory, and it's only mine, is that if we start with the smallest group, it's going to make that the smallest group is going to be your inside circle, and then it just gets broader and broader from there. But look, we've got Regina, Canada, North America, Saskatchewan, and Earth. So my smallest one is going to be Regina. All right, so that one's gone. The next biggest group is going to be Saskatchewan. Right, so here are the people who live in Regina. So if I live in Saskatoon, I'd be out here, or in Yorkton, or Bigger, or Cockatoos First Nation, Gordon's First Nation. All right, now if we look what's left, and we've got Canada. So Ontario, BC, Manitoba, Winnipeg, whatever you want, right? And then North America. And last one is Earth. And there we go. That wasn't so bad. So if I say somebody lives in North America, well, that would mean, mess up my diagram. Anything in the colored area. So if I say I live in North America, I could be in Canada, or I could be in Mexico. I could be in Saskatchewan, or I could be in Quebec, and I could be in Regina, or I could be in New York City. Okay. The key thing to remember on all these is whatever the biggest circle is, it includes everything inside that. All right, well, that was a super quick video, except for the pause where you did your work and I took my dog for a walk. And I hope you have a splendid day.